Went to hospital, wife surgery of heart. How love came in, I do not know. Wait there by the eye or ears or no, or wait there with the soul. It came it fast, infused with the same weight, weight there in a part. It's here or there, or like the soul, all everywhere. This troubles me, but as I will, as any other, this can tell that when from hence she does depart, they out let them is from the heart. She, you are my best friend, the person I can tell all my secret, to be the first person I want to talk to when I wake up, and the last persons I want to talk to before I draft off to sleep when something good happens to me. You are the first person I want to share it with. I am so lucky to have you. I just wanted to know how happy I am to have you in my life. The doctor took an x-ray of my heart, and I almost fainted. He asked me that had happened with a secret look on his face. I told him, don't worry, I give my heart to you. That's why it is missing. Can I be honest with you? In many ways, I can attest it to how you have changed my life. I am so proud of myself, and you are utmost patience with me. You have not only supported me during hard stations but also picked my from lowest points. I could say for effect that we exist because of what we have. I must the luckiest man in the world to have such a special person for their love. When I am next to you, I am always pinching myself to confirm that what I am seeing is really you are everything that I ever needed in this life, and I cannot imagine life without you. I love you, darling. I'm missing you so much, and I would see you anything, anytimes you wanted. I miss you from the bottom of my heart to every single part of my body. You are everything I think about, and you are really and all I talk about. I cannot get to you off my mind. Every and I wanted to my future to be with you always and forever. Also my jealousy of the people they get to see you every day. I wish I could. I wish you could be in my arms every single day, and I wish I could hold you and love you always. I am only a cat to you physically and mentally. Mentally, I love you with all of my heart, and everything about you is what I want to, and everything I look for, and I do not want into anything. else. You are so special to me, and everything we done is so special to me as well. Sometimes I wondering if love is worth fighting for, but then remember your face and I am ready for war. When I close my eyes, I see you. When I open my eyes, I see you. There is nothing I cannot do without thinking of you. My thoughts are free to go anywhere, but surprising how often they head in your direction. I love you, say for a second, but it made my day for you kindnesses.